Hello, here I have come with few requirements. Deloitte is hiring for QA engineer, and the experience is 3.5 to 6 years of experience. Locations are Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. The candidate must have hands-on experience in manual testing, API testing, and SQL, and understanding of SDLC, Agile, and defect life cycle. Sharp analytical mindset, eye for detail, and strong ownership, and experience in test planning, defect management, mentoring, and close collaboration with product and dev teams. And good to have this automation exposure, Selenium API automation, performance testing with JMeter and Gatling, Jenkins, and security testing knowledge. So, if you have this skill set, please forward the resume to rsamad@deloitte.com. And we'll go with the another requirement. It is a full-time position. It is an on-site work mode and experience is 3+ years and notice is 1 month. And location is in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Vijayawada. Compulsory and mandatory skills that QA testing experience with strong automation testing background, strong knowledge of IRM, GRC modules in ServiceNow. So this we need to concentrate on IRM, GRC modules, and hands-on experience with automation tools like Selenium, Cypress, and CAD certification is mandatory. Here the client is looking for a certification called CAD. So if you are fit for this requirement, please forward your resumes to nikhil@aksharstaffing.com. And the another requirement is automation in test engineer, OTA. It is an automotive domain, and the candidate should have 4+ years of experience in OTA software, updating test bench and vehicle. Strong knowledge of cloud-based OTA solutions like download, combine, rollback, delta update. Proficiency in API testing tools like Postman, JMeter. Strong automation skills in UI automation, Selenium, and scripting, Python, Java. Familiarity with PKI concepts, certificates, encryption, authentication, understanding of vehicle communication protocols and TCU protocols, and experience in debugging OTA released related issues across cloud and embedded issues. And the job location is in Bangalore and it is a work from office. And please email to your resumes to nagesh at global-tech.co.in or call 9980021291. So please reach out to them if you have this OTA domain, automotive. And the another one is a walk-in drive. So it is a face-to-face interview in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. There's Appium automation test engineer. So the automation test engineers should have mandatory experience of 5 to 7 years with mandatory Appium experience. Skills required: Appium, Android and iOS, Selenium, Java, API testing, BDD Cucumber, Jenkins, Git, Agile experience. So if you have this requirement, if you feel you're a good fit for this requirement, please send your resume to Revati Devulapalli. Her email address is revati.c@livecjobs.com, or you also can WhatsApp on her number 8297721110. Thank you. Have a good day. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel, and you also can forward your resumes to our below mentioned email address. Thank you so much.